This video shows how to cook with programmed recipes using a probe, cooking in the Converge oven with Deluxe Control. First, the oven must be preheated and your food prepared and ready to cook. Touch the recipe book icon and touch your desired recipe. You must select a recipe that requires a probe. Insert the probe into the thickest part of the product and load the food into the appropriate chamber. Before inserting the food, the oven will alert you that the probe is required to be plugged in. Be sure to connect the probe to the oven chamber. Touch the desired chamber or chambers. Touch the start icon. If you touch the chamber, you can view the cooking parameters, pictures, and any categories the recipe belongs to. Touch and hold the cooking mode to view the total cook time. If you touch the X in a chamber, you will cancel the cook cycle. At the end of the cooking stage, the oven sounds an alert and the chamber light flashes. Open the door, remove the probe, and remove the food. The cook by probe process is now complete. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.